Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 12th of March 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, the Indian Wind Turbine Manufacturers Association has urged the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas to ensure continuous and reliable supply of liquefied petroleum gas for wind turbine component manufacturing. The industry body highlighted that manufacturers of key wind turbine components such as castings, forgings, towers, and other structural parts rely heavily on propane or LPG for high-temperature industrial processes. Any disruption or volatility in gas supply could directly impact manufacturing operations, production timelines, and the broader renewable energy project pipeline. Panama's latest renewable energy tender has attracted 7 bids from 6th-generation companies, offering projects that together could reach up to 260 megawatts of installed capacity. Panama's state-owned transmission company aims to procure firm capacity and electricity supply through long-term contracts. That is a mechanism commonly used in the country to ensure energy security and price stability in the wholesale electricity market. The Welsh Government has invested £8 million in a Swansea company developing cutting-edge technology. They are helping to position Wales as a leader in offshore wind. Marine Power Systems is the UK's leading deep-water wind developer. The funding will help bring its technology to full commercial use. MPS will use the investment to market its PelaFlex wind turbine platform, which can operate at depths beyond 60 meters. Ireland has reached 8 gigawatts of installed renewable electricity capacity according to the Minister for Climate, Energy and the Environment. Onshore wind remained the backbone of the country's clean power generation, and solar becoming its third-largest source of indigenous electricity. At a time of global energy uncertainty and rising prices, it is more important than ever to reduce exposure to imported fossil fuel price shocks. Ireland is committed to accelerating renewables and expanding the grid. They have implemented key measures including the annual RES auctions and the €3.5 billion of investment in the 2 system operators. Spain's total installed power generation capacity rose to 142.5 gigawatts in 2025. That is up 7.3% from the previous year, driven mainly by new renewable energy additions. The country added about 10 gigawatts of new capacity during the year, including 8.8 gigawatts of solar photovoltaic and 1.2 gigawatts of wind power. Electricity generation increased by 3.7% in 2025. Renewable sources produced 55.5% of total power output. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.